Hello YouTube, this is Gaurav here and I hope you are doing absolutely well. Data science industry is seeing a rapid increase in its application and offers a very promising future. To be able to enter this domain, one must be equipped with the various concepts, techniques and have sufficient experience with a wide range of tools available for this job. So in this video, we'll be going through some of the best and free books for learning data science and related technologies, especially for beginners, which will surely make your learning a breeze. So let's quickly dive into our content. In this video, we'll be going through a variety of books on data science across beginners and a bit intermediate levels to solidify your knowledge about this beautiful domain. These books will really help you as a beginner to learn new skills by giving you a deep dive into various algorithms, concepts, approaches, and many more things. First on the line, we have Data Analytics Made Accessible with Us. Now, this book is something for very beginners or inexperienced new interns who have no or very slim idea about what actually data science is. This book covers concepts from very basics, right from what is data science, wholeness about it, BI, that is business intelligence concepts, towards data warehousing, data mining, data visualization, and finally basic concepts of artificial intelligence as well. This book can be a great start for you as a beginner in data science. Second on the list, we have Lean Analytics, User Data to Build Better Startup Faster. Now, of course, this book is one of the best books for growing your startup, getting right customers, helping startups to find their way to right products and market. But as a beginner, how can we benefit from it? Well, this book is something resource for beginners to get idea about how business works. It gives a practical scenario how business make impact out of available data. As a beginner, you can learn how data is analyzed, how data is reported, whether it's evaluating a business model or testing new features. Going in depth, you can get a deep idea about analytic fundamentals, which will surely reward you a data-driven mindset. Next one, the most interesting one, is Python Data Science Handbook. This book is for complete beginners and assumes you have no prior knowledge of data science or Python programming. This book will take you from zero to a person who can, using Python, clean data set, analyze it and visualize it, make it ready for machine learning model and apply a model for performing various predictions. Isn't it amazing? I would surely recommend this to every data science beginner whoever watching this video. It's true that you won't feel the need of doing many online courses if you're reading this book. This will put you on data science track and you will start analyzing different data sets on this journey. Next one, and another interesting book, which is Data Science from Scratch. Now here the audience is focused on beginners in data science as well as the intermediate level audience interested in getting started and improving in data science and machine learning. Python is not a prerequisite to read this book, but it would surely speed up things if you already have basic idea about working on Python. Initially, this book goes through all the basics of Python, statistics and a bit of data gathering, and later gets into basic machine learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic decision tree, clustering and many such algorithms from scratch with Python code, which is the most interesting. Coming towards the next one, we have Introduction to Machine Learning. This book initially is great for beginners to understand machine learning algorithms, but later it dives deep into pure analytics side of each algorithm, which is not suitable for complete beginners. But yeah, this book is really best for someone who wants to get their hands dirty, apply complex mathematical expressions and understand the machine learning algorithm and the supporting concepts deeply. So as a beginner, if you are really interested to study the mathematics behind machine learning algorithms, I would recommend to go with Andrew Ng machine learning tutorials on YouTube. Next on the list, book which is curated especially for data analysis and data analyst job aspirants, is book Practical Data Analysis. This book gives a hands-on guide to understand the nature of your data and turn it into insights. It will introduce you to the use of machine learning techniques, social network analytics and econometrics to help you get the insights about the pool of data you have. This book is very useful to learn how to acquire, format and visualize your data generate meaningful visualization that anyone can understand, which serves very useful if you're considering data analyst roles. Also, you can learn to get started with analyzing social network graphs, implement machine learning algorithms such as classification, forecasting, and many more things. Lastly and most amazing one on the list, which is Exploratory Data Analysis in Python. As the name suggests, this book gives you a detailed knowledge and in-depth intuition about exploratory data analysis. Personally, I have read this book and would really suggest this book to someone who wants to perform EDA techniques to understand, summarize, and investigate more into your data. This book is best for you to excel yourself as a successful data analyst, data scientist, or be expert at dealing with any data. This book starts by performing EDA using open source datasets and performs simple to advanced analysis to turn any data into meaningful insights. Later, you will learn various descriptive statistic techniques to describe the basic characteristics of your data and progress to performing EDA on time series data as well. As you advance, you will also learn how to implement EDA techniques for model development and evaluation and build predictive models to visualize the results and many more things which will bring out an expert data analyst or scientist within you. Well, this was all from my side. I have attached link of these books in my video description below. Choose the resources which best suits you, and I hope this video and resources shared are useful. Do subscribe my channel, it motivates me to bring amazing content for the community. Signing off for today. Stay safe, take care, and bye bye.